It's not so often that you see so much beauty in one place. Here we are at Moon Lake. We're going to take a little nature walk. Oh, look, check these out. These are wild flowers. There's a few different colors and some shapes of them. And certain times during the year, they'll create some pollen. And you don't want to get too close when the pollen's here, because that's their way of self-defense. You'll start coughing and sneezing, but right now they're great. Wow, pretty neat. Usually in those falls that are coming down right there, you can see deer there sometimes going during the day. They'll come down and walk around the lake. I don't see any there right now, but we'll see if I can get some by shaking up the earth a little bit. Come on. Wait, look! Over there are some marmots. You can tell they're marmots because they're fat and furry. Not very cuddly creatures either. Pioneers used to think these guys were cotton candy back in the day when they came through this area. We know now, of course, they're not. They'll make you feel a little bit upset. They're just beautiful wildflowers, though. Pretty neat. Looking at this, you probably just think, oh, it's a good-sized boulder. But no, it's actually a rock. Pretty good-sized rock. Pioneers used to drive these things for miles. So we walked down from Moon just up there, that crevasse. Down here in the basin, there's a little pond. I don't know if it's inhabited by fish. It looks pretty shallow, so it might not be. It might be dry some seasons. It looks pretty beautiful.